The world's largest covered bird park is located in the lake gardens of Kuala Lumpur. Of course, this is called bird flower. Naturally the peacock, but is not in a mood to spread and dance. The weather is rather cloudy. The weather is cloudy. The peacock is not in a mood to get up and dance. Finally somebody got into a mood, not fully though. I don't know the name of this bird. Sure, it looks fascinating. The nice thing is they live in this natural environment, and there is a covered mesh so that they can't fly out. Of course, some have to be caged. They can be so colorful. Great hornbill. Their habitat is Sumatra in Indonesia. This is white crowned hornbill. How about toucan that we saw in Costa Rica? This guy is trying to poke at the camera. Maybe he's camera shy. Another peacock, relaxing. Flamingos, several of them. Looks to be trying to find a fish. This is white peafowl. Natural habitat is India and Ceylon. This is guinea fowl. I'm not sure name of this bird. This is withered hornbill. This is oriental pierced hornbill. Seem to be a camera shy. They just don't cooperate. They don't know how to smile. This is Asian horned hornbill. Correction, hornbill. Hornbill. This is winged hornbill. Is standing so still. is not plastic. This is owl. That is owl. This seems to be an eagle. Looks to be a parrot who fell into Clorox. This fellow uses a hair dye.
Kan du ta den av mig?
Vi har pratat om detta.
That's why there's a team Red Cardinals. He's not talking. This is white-bellied sea eagle. This is Indian black eagle, even though he's brown. Just like Indians are called as blacks. Actually, they are brown. This is changeable black eagle. He seems to change the dress frequently. Has a Saks and Fifth Avenue credit card. World of parrots. True to the name, one can see so many of them. These are African grey parrots. Amazon parrots. And scarlet mako. Sure, they like papaya. A bit noisy at dinner time, just like people. These are umbrella kaku, Malaccan kaku, Pesquat parrot, Mappy robin, varieties of other birds, too many to name when they are sitting all together at a conference table or a conference tree. There are so many birds that Ruchi would love coming and watching this. Maybe she can see the video. Taco toucan again. This is called Greater Bird of Paradise. Always a bird show.
Okay, that is Herman. And Herman has something.
them in yoga posture. I didn't know some of them in yoga posture. I didn't know birds also stand on one leg, twist their neck and get into yoga postures. This is a meditation posture. Seem to be it is all done with. He must be a vegetarian. Southern Kesare, Kesavari. These are not plastic. This is emu, found mainly in Australia. They're huge. Correction, this is exactly is emu, and this big guy is ostrich. That is emu. Both are found in Australia, of course. Again, this is ostrich. Finally, there are lovebirds here. Another lovebirds, as Ruchi said when she was 3 years of age.